Elephants are the largest land animals and belong to the family Elephantidae. They are found in Africa and Asia and have distinctive physical characteristics, including large ears, a long trunk, and tusks. Elephants are herbivores, consuming large amounts of food and water each day. They are highly social animals, living in close-knit family groups led by a matriarch. Elephants are considered highly intelligent and have strong memories, exhibiting self-awareness, problem-solving, and empathy. However, elephants are threatened by habitat loss and poaching, with both African and Asian species listed as vulnerable or endangered. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals. The global elephant population is estimated to be around 415,000 individuals, with 3 species recognized: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. African bush elephants are the largest species and have a population of around 400,000, while the African forest elephant has a population of about 10,000. The Asian elephant population is around 40,000. All 3 species are considered to be either endangered or vulnerable, with populations declining due to habitat loss, poaching, and poaching. Habitat: elephants are found in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes. African elephants are primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, while Asian elephants are found in mainland Asia and several Southeast Asian islands. Diet: elephants are herbivores and feed on grasses, leaves, bark, and branches of trees. They consume large amounts of food each day, ranging from 300–600 pounds, to support their massive size. Elephants also require large amounts of water and can drink up to 50 gallons in a single day. Elephants are herbivores and feed on grasses, leaves, branches, bark, fruits, and flowers. They can eat up to 300 pounds of vegetation in a single day and require large amounts of water to digest their food. In the wild, elephants have been known to feed on over 100 different species of plants. Lifespan: elephants have a long lifespan, with some individuals living up to 70 years in the wild. In captivity, their lifespan may be slightly shorter due to limited space and resources. In the wild, elephants can live an average of 60–70 years, with some individuals reaching 80 years or more. The lifespan of captive elephants is generally shorter, averaging in the mid-40s to 50s, due to factors such as lack of space, limited access to fresh food and water, and increased health problems. Factors that can affect an elephant's lifespan include genetics, habitat, diet, and whether the elephant is in the wild or captive. Social behavior: elephants are highly social animals and live in close-knit family groups led by a dominant female known as the matriarch. These groups can number from several individuals to over 100 members. Elephants also have strong social bonds with other members of their group and have been observed exhibiting grief and mourning when a family member dies. Intelligence: elephants are highly intelligent animals and are considered one of the most intelligent species on the planet. They have a large brain and show signs of self-awareness, problem-solving, and empathy. Elephants also have a strong memory and are able to recognize individual humans and recall past events. Conservation status: elephants are threatened by habitat loss and poaching, as well as illegal poaching. The African elephant is listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, while the Asian elephant is listed as endangered. Conservation efforts, such as anti-poaching patrols and habitat protection, are underway to help protect these magnificent animals. In conclusion, elephants are fascinating and complex animals with unique habits and behaviors. They play important roles in their ecosystems and are a crucial part of our natural world. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival and protect them for future generations to enjoy. Elephants are known for their strength and power. They are the largest land animals and can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Their strength allows them to move heavy objects, such as trees and rocks, and also makes them formidable predators. Additionally, elephants have strong trunks and tusks that they use for various tasks, such as foraging for food, fighting for dominance, and communicating with other elephants. Elephants face several worldwide problems, including Habitat loss, the destruction of elephant habitats for agriculture, urbanization, and logging is a major threat to elephant populations. Poaching, elephants are hunted for their ivory tusks, which are in high demand on the black market. Conflict with humans, as human populations continue to expand, elephants often come into conflict with farmers who view them as pests and a threat to crops. Climate change. Changes in climate patterns can lead to food and water scarcity, affecting elephant populations. International trade. The illegal trade of ivory and live elephants for tourism and entertainment is a major threat to elephant populations. Conservation efforts, such as anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration, and education programs, aim to address these problems and protect elephant populations. Elephants are the largest land animals. They are herbivores and feed on grasses, leaves, branches, bark, fruits, and flowers. Elephants have long trunks that they use for various tasks, such as foraging for food and communicating with other elephants. They have large ears that they use to regulate their body temperature. Elephants are social animals and live in family groups led by a matriarch. They have strong bonds and mourn the loss of their family members. Elephants have excellent memories and are capable of recognizing individual elephants. They are intelligent and exhibit complex behaviors, such as problem-solving and empathy. Elephants are an endangered species, with African elephants listed as vulnerable and Asian elephants as endangered. The biggest threat to elephant populations is the ivory trade, as the animals are poached for their tusks. Elephants